Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, my mom's called me, sorry. Oh, okay.
I love you.
Love you.
Oh, thanks. You said it so nicely.
I'm eating ham. Look at my channel, for you guys. I'm just saying, with all my slime, number 3, video 3. One more time. So let's go. I am good. This is my first time. It's fluffy and super stretchy and sticky. Like that. It's so good. Like you don't understand. This is fluffy slime. It's very sticky, very stretchy, very fluffy. I named it. It is Green Bean. That would be a funny name. So yeah, this is Green Bean. The next one is oh my gosh, lavender. It doesn't smell like lavender because I don't have any scenting yet that's not oil based. So I'm gonna get some later on my life and I'm gonna scent this. So it's lavender. It's fluffy slime too. It's not as fluffy. I didn't put like a lot of fluffy slime. I mean, not fluffy. Sorry if you hear something in the background. That's the TV. It's very stretchy and sticky, and it's very fun to play with, and it comes off very good. It's did I say its name, lavender? Okay, yeah. And I just made that. Like literally, I just made this. I tried to make a video on making it, but it just, my camera went off. So these two are the same slime. See? Bulky. But yeah, they are the same exact slime, except this one, my friend played with it and she got a lot of air in it, I guess. And so this one's a little more stretchier. So, they're the same slime though. Sorry. My next slime is this one. It is Snow White. I love Snow White. So I named it after her. Because it's white slime. And it smells like snow. Bruh. It smells like snow. Yeah, it smells like snow. I love the smell of snow. Me too. And yes, it's sticky on the bottom and bubbly on the top. And it's kind of stretchy. Not really. It's not my best work. Oh shoot, I'm running out of time on my camera. Hurry. These two. Okay, so this one is my slime, Midnight Slime. Oh, and I have another slime that's in my book bag, in the car, so I'm not going to go get it. But yes, this is Midnight Slime. I really like this. It's normal slime, and it's stretchy. Not really stretchy, but like, you can see through it, and it's very cool. And the next is Booger Slime. Booger Slime. It's very funny, and you could prank your friend like, I need a tissue. Something like that, I don't know. It's so fun, I love it, and I love you guys, because you're my fans, and you're so nice. And so this one is, oh, I'm running out of time. My princess slime. It's not stretchy, but hold on. Okay, over. This one is pumpkin slime. It's fluffy. This one is disco ball slime. Not fluffy or stretchy. This one's the same way as that one. It's my Christmas slime. And I have this one, which I'm going to show last. I have this giant fluffy slime. I love it so much. It makes this lovely noise. And I have this slime, which it smells bad, and you're not really like, and it's goop. It's not really slime. It's that unicorn goop stuff. It's very weird. It's like store-bought slime, you know. It smells like chemicals. Ow! Cut myself. But bye, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to me and comment down below if you subscribe.